Here I am at home, 1040 Island Drive Court, and still I have no keys, even though I told the chief judge at the 15th District Court at the last hearing for summary judgment that my roommate and lessor, Alexander Raskind, has not given me keys so that I can access my apartment, of which he replied he knows nothing about ionized keys. So, some lady came to the apartment today, told me I had 5 minutes to leave, or she was going to call the police, and they were going to arrest me. She said her name, but when I asked for her credentials and identification, she refused. I've posted the video on YouTube. So this was all after court hours, or after which I could make it to the court to confirm who she is. But nonetheless, they can't confirm who she is because she could have been anyone. So she said that she left an order of eviction that she had signed on the door, on my bedroom door, the other day. And I told her that it was that I received such a service and as a form, but that it was illegible, and then she said that it was not illegible. So this is the form. And let's see here. That's him, Alexander Raskind, the plaintiff. And then that's me, Voron Depanalux, the defendant. And then this is what someone wrote that is supposed to be legible. Can you read it? So, since I have no proof of who she is, and she gave me no identification credential, she did not flash a badge, and she did not have a copy of the order with her. To serve me personally, or to show her authority to evict me from the apartment. So, I am returning to my home. And by the way, though it is dark, she said something about my roommate, Alexander Raskind, putting my stuff outside, and I had 48 hours to get it. But it's dark. I'll make another video tomorrow morning, but my stuff is not outside. She said something about it, my stuff being in the back or around the corner. It's too dark, really, back here. But I'm gonna make a best effort to This is the, that's the building. This is the building. This is my bedroom here. And he has locked the window when I kept it open with an apple core. And this is the parking lot. You can't see, but there's no box of belongings out here. So, all the more reason for me to be suspicious that this woman was a fraud, perhaps someone hired by him to pretend that they had the authority to kick me out. So, I have no reason to believe it, and so here I tried opening this window, but he has, well, this is the front door again, but this window he has something propped in there. He's done this to me once before. I've uploaded that video, so I don't have the money to go stay somewhere else tonight. I'm not sleeping out in the elements and exposing myself to harm. So as a means of mitigating my harm that that could come about from sleeping and being out in the elements late at night, I am going to, for a second time, long press the doorbell. Those sirens are the Goonie police that can see what's on my device, and they're harassing me with those sirens as they have for many months. I'm not schizophrenic. I'm not psychotic. I'm not making it up. If you live in Ann Arbor, you know. So, right? You hear that? So, you can hear the buzzer in the background. So, since it's an emergency, and he and I have a verbal month-to-month agreement, and he has not properly sought an order of eviction, and he has committed fraud against the court by stating on applications and complaints that he has kept the apartment fit to live in, which he hasn't. More than, one type of means, but the most apparent and conspicuous means is he has not issued me a replacement set of keys that he ionized himself to host what's called a constructive eviction, among other unlawful harassments and practices towards that effort. So, you heard that I long pressed the bell. He has not responded. So, my last resort now will be to break one of these windows, because I consider this a state of emergency. And so, I am first going to go upload this video up the street using the University of Michigan Wi-Fi internet, and I'm going to do that lawfully off of their property, on public property, because their internet is that powerful from the Kellogg Eye Institute. And then I'm going to come back and make a way and a means back into my apartment. Thank you.